great day everyone. Thank you so much for watching again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we will going to have now a continuation of discussing or having a pronunciation of the different vowel and diphthong sounds. So without further ado, let's do it. So the vowel sound that we will going to have a pronunciation now is the vowel sound of A. Now, let's start with the words with an initial vowel sound of A. Let's start with August, altar, all, always, altar, aura, authentic, alter, off, auction, automobile, audience, alternate, auditorium. Now, let's proceed to the words with a medial vowel sound of A. Let's start with sauce, install, taught, launch, shawl, bolt, sausage, gone, fought, shock, reward, warm, wash, call. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching everyone. I hope you learned something and have a great day and goodbye.